Today, we are comparing the 80-pound Cobra self-cocking pistol crossbow with the William Tell Mini Striker crossbow. The Cobra is 19.5 inches long and 17.25 inches wide. It weighs 1 pound and 9 ounces. The Mini Striker is 15.6 inches long and 10 inches wide and weighs 2 pounds 7 ounces. Now let's do some shooting. First, let's try the 80-pound Cobra pistol. We will be using 6-inch plastic bolts for this test. We got 183 feet per second. Now, let's shoot the Mini Striker, also using a 6-inch plastic bolt. This time, we got 358 feet per second. Remember, you can get the Mini Striker at WilliamTellArcherySupplies.com.